How to install the MIUI 13 media control in your control center on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the MIUI 13 media control, which does look pretty cool on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. Now, as far as I know, this is going to work only if you have MIUI 12.5 and Android 11, and no, you do not need to root your device. Another super important thing to note over here is that I am doing this on my Poco X3 Pro, which right now is running the global build, which is MIUI 12.5.4 based on Android 11. However, there have been reports that it is not working perfectly across all devices. So right now this is very random. Now, what are the things which you need? All the things which you need are linked in the description of this video. So for starters, you need something called System UI plugin. Then you need another application called Cast, and last but not the least, you need Activity Launcher. Now this is for those of you for whom it does not work. Installation is as easy as going and installing these APKs. So first of all, let us install the System UI plugin. Once the application has installed successfully, we can go back. Then you can install the Cast application, and once that is done, we can of course go back as well. Cast is now installing, scanning whatever Xiaomi is doing. Done. Go back to the home screen, swipe down, bam, here it is. This is your new MIUI 13 media control. If I tap on this, bam, here it is. You can see it does look pretty cool, I told you. And this here is your volume slider. This is your navigation bar for jumping over to a specific time, and if you have any Bluetooth devices which are connected, they are going to show up in this list over here. Right now it is telling us we have Poco X3 Pro. You can of course switch between the different songs as well. So here it is, we do have a song playing right now. Of course volume has been reduced so that I do not get any copyright strike. Tap on next and the next music is going to play. Pause it, it is going to pause. If you swipe across, you will still be accessing the old style, and on your lock screen also you will get the old style. You do not get the new style, but yes, in your control center you do get a new media control. This here is going to open it in maximized option, and you can also pause from here, play, next, previous, all those features are present. So works absolutely fine on my Poco X3 Pro. Now, those of you for whom this does not work, for starters, try to reboot your device. If that also does not work, then we have a workaround which might not be as good, but you do need to install an application called Activity Launcher. Once you have installed Activity Launcher, we are going to open this Activity Launcher. It is going to give you a disclaimer. Select OK. It will take some time to load, and herein you need to search for something called system. Once you type in system, you are going to get multiple options. The one which we are concerned about is this one, System UI plugin. Tap on the down arrow besides the name, and herein if you tap on the second option, which is your Mi Play, this is going to open that new media control, and of course everything is going to work absolutely fine. From here you can see I can switch between the tracks, I can play and pause. All those options are working without any issues. Then if you want a shortcut for this, press and hold on the activity, say create shortcut. It should create a shortcut of the activity on your home screen. If it does not, then feel free to blame this crappy poop launcher. And of course I know the workaround is not good enough, but for now it is what it is. Now the next question which I will get is, Himanchi, this did not work for me, how do I remove that? Well, you can go into settings, then you will go into apps. Here and go into manage apps, three dot menu on the top right, and make sure you select show all apps. If you get the option as hide system services, that means you have already selected show all apps. Herein, first of all, you need to search for an option called Cast. Once you're in the application info of Cast, uninstall updates, select Okay, once that is done, you need to search for something else, and this time you're going to search for system space UI. Once you search for system space UI, you will get two options. Select the second one, system UI, plugin uninstall updates, select OK, and then you should be good to go. As you can see, the media control has now disappeared from our control center. And there it is, peeps. That is how you enable the new media control from MIUI 13 on your Xiaomi, Redmi, or Poco device without having to root it. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.